The Telangana Legislative Assembly election was held in Telangana on 7 December 2018 to constitute the second legislative assembly since the formation of the state in 2014. The incumbent Telangana Rashtra Samithi, the Indian National Congress, Telangana Jana Samithi, and Telugu Desam Party were the main contestants in the election. Four opposition parties in the state incorporated, TJS, TDP and CPI announced a formation of a Mahakutami to defeat the ruling TRS in the elections. However, the Mahakutami could not win a majority, the TRS won, and formed the government once again. K. Chandrasekhar Rao went for early elections in 2018 when he resigned 6 September 2018, 9 months before the completion of his term. Since no other party had majority, the House was dissolved by the governor and general elections were announced. This election led to the alliance of Telugu Desam Party and Indian National Congress, Communist Party of India, once arch rivals, coming together as part of Praja Mahakutami for the first time. Election Commission of India announced that voter-verified paper audit trail machines will be used in all 32,574 polling stations in the assembly elections in Telangana. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.